Now, credit cards can be a useful tool in building your credit, provided you use them the right way. What do I mean by the right way? Well, what I mean by that is you will let them work for you and not against you. One of the ways that you can have them work for you is to make sure that when you're utilizing them, that you typically don't use any more than 50% of the limit. What credit agencies do is they will pull your report on a regular basis, or the credit card companies, what they do actually is they report to the credit agencies how much of your credit you're utilizing. So let's pretend that your credit limit is $2,000 on your Visa, but every month you've got it pinned out to the 2,000. You've got it fully drawn down. Now, even if you pay it off on a monthly basis, when they're reporting, they will always report that it's always at limit, which is going to affect your credit. However, let's say again your limit is 2,000 and you've only got it to roughly $1,000 and you pay that off every month. So when it reports, it will report that you're using essentially half of it. That is your credit utilization. Lenders, when they're considering lending money to new borrowers, they are always going to want to be looking at your credit utilization. How good are you with your money? Do you typically have it fully maxed in all the areas that you owe money? If that's the chronic kind of what they're seeing, pattern they're seeing out there, they're more reluctant to lend you money. And effectively, the more that your credit is utilized, your score is impacted and it drops a bit. Therefore, the best way forward is to make sure that your credit utilization is typically no more than 50% on your credit cards. If, however, let's say your limit is $2,000 and you typically for business or whatever purposes always need to be at $2,000, reach out to the credit card company, see if you can have it up to $4,000. Again, now if you've stayed disciplined and you only use $2,000 of it, your credit utilization will remain at 50%. Of course, the important thing is here is be disciplined. Don't max it out because suddenly you're going to have a new problem. Anyways, anything else you need with credit or advice or anything as far as mortgages go, Auxilium is your team. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. We have hundreds of online reviews that attest to this fact. We've funded over $700 million in mortgages, and we would love to assist you whether you're purchase or refinance, rental property, whatever it is you're looking to do mortgage-wise, Auxilium is the right team for you.